These are the products offered by BurtonBands for posterior restorations. The top two rows with the metal matrix attached to the purple wedge are called BurtonBands Posterior, and there's two different types. The top row here is a smaller metal matrix band, which can be used for small to medium-sized lesions. The second row is a larger metal matrix band, which can be used for medium-sized to large lesions. These two different matrices come in left and right-handed units, so they can be used from either the buccal or lingual aspects, and can also be placed for the mesial and distal depending on where the restoration is needed. This third row is a smaller wedge called a force wedge, which is designed to be used in conjunction when needed with the matrix systems above to help seal the gingival margin or create separation. The final product here is another product called Versa Wedge, also offered by BurtonBands. This unit can be used with any sectional matrix on the market and can be used as a standalone product with that matrix to create a perfect gingival seal and create separation without having to use a ring. It also is compatible with all rings on the market, and so can be used in conjunction with the ring to improve gingival margin seal and restoration outcome and efficiency.